Hey there, this is Python trainer Reuven Lerner. If you've been using Python for a year or so, then I don't need to convince you about how amazing this language is. You can get so much done with so little code. And yet, even after using the language for a while, there are a bunch of things that you still aren't 100% sure about. Things like iterators, generators, decorators, object-oriented techniques, even some functional techniques and some modules in the standard library. The only way that you're going to really get to know these is by practicing them. And weekly Python exercise, my set of courses to help you gain Python fluency, is the key to doing that. Every week for 15 weeks, you get a new problem on Tuesday, and you get the solution the following Monday. So you can't cheat by looking at the answers. But you can consult everyone else in the cohort in our private forum. And you can ask me anything you want about Python at our monthly office hours. Weekly Python exercise is the best way that I know of to improve your Python fluency. And on October 27th, Tuesday, just next week, we are going to be starting a new cohort for intermediate and advanced level Python developers. So if you've been using Python for a year or so and you want to up your game, level up your Python, improve it, become more fluent, you name it, this new upcoming cohort of weekly Python exercises for you. If you have questions or comments, just contact me on Twitter or via email. I hope you'll join me, and I hope to see you in weekly Python exercise B3.